Hello everyone, we had a request put in to show you this 29 DFS hideout. And if you guys have any requests, feel free to leave a comment down below and we can try and get a video of that for you. This is just a really awesome family camper and it's pretty unique the way it's all laid out on the inside. We're going to go over some of the specs first, like always, before taking a tour of the outside and then the inside. So our overall length comes out to be 33 foot 11 inches, so not too bad. Our weight, our dry weight, is 7,138 pounds. And then our hitch weight comes out to be 920 pounds. So let's go ahead and get started with the outside first. You have your power tongue jack at the front. Very user-friendly. You just have to press a button and it does the work for you. Dual propane tanks just behind there. And then you have some diamond plating running down at the bottom of your front cap to just help protect it from any type of road debris just jumping up there. Of course, you have your smooth front cap and then aluminum siding. This also has the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty with Keystone. You are also prepped for side marker cameras, so you just have to purchase that Furrion camera part, pop it in there, and then you're able to view the sides of your camper while you are hauling it down the road. So that can be pretty nice. Some pass-through storage here at the front. Just put extra camping gear in here, chairs, tables, umbrellas, beach towels, anything you want. Front and rear stabilizer jacks, 2 entrances as well, and as you can see, there is no slide outs on your camping side. Freshwater connection, furnace, 110 outlet. So if you want to get a table out here and set a TV up, you can do that. Your awning actually starts halfway down from your camper. So you have that extra shade if you need it. Plus they have an LED light strip, Bluetooth capable outside speakers, and then solid steps at your main entrance. So these are nice and sturdy and they will fold up into your camper. Then you got your big helper handle. They each have friction hinge for your doors, so you don't have to worry about it slamming, especially if it gets pretty windy outside. Bottle opener / leash holder for your pet. And then coming to the back, you have an outside kitchen. So this is always a perk, especially if you're enjoying the weather outside and your kids are running around getting pretty dirty and they need something to drink. They can just come up here and grab it without having to track all of that dirt in. So you got yourself a mini fridge. You can put those beverages in there. A couple burners, and this is also stainless steel. And this does fold down and tuck away, but you also have this open cubby space for some extra storage. And then you have your water heater back here. And you are camera ready as well for a rear camera. And as you can see, you have one slide out on your non-camping side. City water connection. Coming back towards the front, there is the other point to your pass-through storage. So now let's take a look at the inside. I actually want to go through the main entrance today. So immediately when you walk in, there is this wall to your right. Your convenience center is located here. That's where you can access that slide out awning and all that fun stuff. To my left, you actually have some bunks. So great spot for kids or even just friends, adult teenagers. There's plenty of room for them, especially for little kiddos. You probably could sleep a couple kids per bunk, depending on size. 300 pounds is the weight limit. So like I said, a full-size adult is able to sleep up there too, your friends, anything like that. Built-in ladder, so that's very nice. You don't have to worry about it sticking out and taking up any walking space. There's also a privacy curtain too, so you can kind of block that off and sleep in. Light is on the top bunk and the bottom bunk right there. The bottom bunk has the window so you can pick and choose who gets which one. Outlet is on each to plug in those electronics. And then down below, you just have a bunch of extra storage. Not too far from your bathroom either. So you have that shower tub combo, which is pretty cool. Your vent fan is just up above there, and you actually can screw it open and let some natural light in. Porcelain foot flush toilet with ample amount of leg space while you're doing your business. And then you got your sink, storage down below, outlet for your electric toothbrush, hair dryer, straightener, and then your medicine cabinet. Then just outside your bathroom is just some closet space for those bunks, or you can kind of use it for living room storage or kitchen storage. And now into the main portion of this camper. To the left is your sleeper sofa. So this will fold into another sleeping space for more guests, which is pretty cool. Bring the whole family, your cousins, your aunts, uncles, things like that. Perfect view of your entertainment center, 31-inch electric fireplace. And this actually lets off heat too if you want, not just have the lights on. So if it happens to be pretty chilly, you can turn that on and it feels awesome. Open decorative shelving space for whatever. And then your Furrion Bluetooth speaker system is just above there, so you can access those outside, plus your inside speakers. Huge TV. Pretty awesome. Change the position of it if you want. You can swivel it around. And then you have some storage up above. You're probably thinking, why does this look weird? Well, this is one of the other unique features about this camper. You actually can pull it open and you have hidden pantry storage just behind. So huge amounts from ceiling to floor. You can put all of your camping gear in here, your canned goods, cleaning supplies, brooms, anything you want. You can have it hidden and tucked away. Even your kitchen trash can too. Has this magnetic latch for the door. Right next to your sleeper sofa is your U-shaped dinettes. I love the booth dinettes just because they're very comfortable, and the fact that this is you can fit all of your family around, and you even have some storage underneath. Plus, this folds into a sleeping space as well. The fact that this is not attached means you could probably take this table outside too if you want to have dinner outside or things like that. But love the U-shaped dinettes. You also have windows all across this slide out, so you have a lot of natural light coming in. Across into our kitchen area, your refrigerator is next to your entertainment center / hidden pantry. Then you got your microwave, range hood, really gorgeous backsplash too. And then you also have 3 burners on this camper, so you can cook some things at the same time with that glass cover. There's your oven, storage all down below, and you actually have this built-in feature, which is really cool. This is a road vac. It comes with a 30-foot nozzle, and you just hook up the hose, and you're able to vacuum up every square inch of this camper. And it's just one less thing you have to worry about, so you don't have to worry about bringing a vacuum with you. A bunch of countertop space as well. I love that this sink is at an angle, just because it really widens out the storage below and the countertop space. Outlets as well, so you can plug in those small appliances if you need to. Coffee makers, air fryers, things like that. Stainless steel open mount sink, spray nozzle. You also have some light that you can shed onto that sink. Cabinets up above, and it's that glass material on the inside again, which matches the cabinets above your entertainment center. And the really awesome thing that Hideout does, they actually have some accent lights that go in your cabinets, so you can have those on, kind of like a night light. Looks pretty cool. The price, before I forget, comes out to be $28,990 for everything. And then finally, coming into our master bedroom, so the front of the camper, queen size mattress that does lift up for some extra storage. And then of course you have nightstands on both sides. Each has outlets to charge those electronics. And then above each is your closet space. Built-in clothes rack, shelf as well for some more extra storage. Windows are on both sides for some natural light coming in, and this is where that second entrance comes into play. So if you're outside wanting to enjoy the campfire, it gets pretty late, your kids are off sleeping, you can come in through this door and not have to worry about waking them up. And then try to position myself here. You have even more closet space, so you don't have to worry about not having enough. And down below, plus you have this sliding door for some extra privacy, and a spot for a TV over here, so you can hang a TV up. So that is it for this Hideout, you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know and we will be happy to help.